Let's start with the question. Dualshock 4.1T turn on outside of Steam anymore. I've used my controller fine until I started using it on Steam. I can still use it for Steam, but when I try syncing it back to my PS4 it won't work. I will say I've tried the reset button on the back, nothing. Also it won't turn on unless it's plugged into my PC. So how can we solve this? There's one possible answer. Answer 1. I suspect you've lost the pairing with your PS4 system. According to the Sony instructions, you need to pair it by plugging it directly into the PS4 with a USB cable. Have you tried this? You don't specifically state that in your question. http://manuals. PlayStation. Net, document, GB, PS4, basic, use controller. HTML. I hope this answer helped, and if it did, please drop a comment and subscribe.